My client had created a beautiful garden on the slopes of their hilltop property. I'd spent many years cultivating beautiful plants, flowers and trees. My client wanted to make a focal point in this garden, sometimes referred to as a folly. It's a garden structure that's made for pure fun and whimsical enjoyment. The idea was to create a destination point. It was also supposed to offer some protection from the elements and wind. It also needed to be large enough for small family groups and friends to be able to gather and enjoy the garden. I wanted to talk about this structure we made here in this garden. The idea was to create a space amongst all these beautiful plants and trees. So we came up with a plan to build a garden folly where my client's family could gather and spend some time together.
Lay your head upon my shoulder, shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.